Hello lovers, Donna from I Love a Dog here. This afternoon I'm going to make a quick puppy porridge that I've been making for Romeo, and many of you asking what I've been feeding him. So let's give this a go. I've got some organic oats here, about 1.5 cups, 2 cups. I'm going to add some warm water. No matter what I feed Romeo, it's always good to add warm water over the top so that it's, particularly if it's come from the fridge, so that it's served at room temperature or slightly above. Otherwise you'll find puppies get the hiccups, which can be cute for a little while, but probably isn't that fair. So I'm just going to make up the oats here. Mix it all in. Alrighty, so that's our porridge. Now today we're using chicken mince. We could use any kind of particularly small animal mince like a lamb mince or the like. I'll often use chopped up fresh sardines as well, which is super delicious. Well, I don't actually find them delicious, but he does. So I'm going to put this chicken mince straight in here today. Mix that through. Alright, now I always like to include offal. Usually I'll do a single animal protein, meaning that I would put chicken offal, liver, hearts or the like. But they didn't have any today, so I've got some lamb heart. This is one whole lamb heart. Find that the lamb, all the offal is like a nutrition super bomb for them, and has so much goodness, amino acids, minerals, can't go wrong. Alright, alright, we're also going to be adding some grated apple. This is about 1 apple. Including the core. The apple seeds are full of goodness, but not including the stem. Make sure you take that part out. The apple, the idiom, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, is said to include the apple seeds, which are a natural antibiotic and full of goodness. All right. Then normally I'll add one or the other of our Miracle Greens or Golds, but today we'll do a little bit of both. We know that when we're making food at home, the Miracle Greens have all of the vitamins, minerals, amino acids that our dogs need, including their iodine. So no matter what you're making at home, please be sure to include some greens. So that you know that you're giving them all that they need. Alright, and some golds. Now I'm making plenty here such that I don't have to make it each morning. I tend to add some magic golds each morning no matter what. And sometimes even some extra blueberries. So now we've got oats, chicken, lamb heart, what else do we have? Apple, greens and golds. Now I'm going to add some blueberries, but I tend to try and smush the blueberries. Let's find a fork. Go. Do that again. Oops. And then, as I said, we add some of those fresh when we serve. find if I don't smush them, he'll leave them. And who wants to waste perfectly yummy, good blueberries? There we go. All right. Now, that's as far as I go on the pre-prep to be able to put it into the fridge or freezer. What we'll do, we'll serve this up. Then for gut health, I'm going to add some coconut kefir. Yum. And some chia seeds. A few more blueberries. Some extra magic gold. And that is our puppy porridge.